How to mask in Premiere Pro. So right here on the screen we have the Premiere Pro logo. I'm just going to make it a bit bigger. Now I've deliberately put a little white border thing around it, and what we're going to do is we are going to cut that out. And to cut that out we're going to go over to here. So with masking you have three options. You have a circle like this, and if you do want to clear it, press right click and press clear on that. You have a rectangle, and then you have the pencil, which we're going to go over mainly. The circle and the, I'll just call it rectangle, can be really useful, but the pen one, you can do it how you want. If we just draw all around here, making sure to have as much detail as possible. Because the only downside about using this, or at least compared to the circle to this, which I didn't realise, was the attention to detail you have to do. So I'll just give you an example now. That doesn't look as nice compared to if you just remove the background before you put it into Premiere Pro. But you know, it's better than nothing. You can, if you press on mask 1, just kind of move it around a bit if you want, that kind of thing, if you want to. But yeah, there's that. There's the rectangle, which we've just gone over, and the ellipse one. Watch this video next if you want to. Subscribe.